Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snidey Spidey from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the shape of the mouth. We'll start with the curve up and over, and the same on the other side. Now underneath, let's step in from the ends and let's draw a curve down towards the center. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. Now top on top and let's draw a curve up and out, curving it back in at the end. And let's do the same thing on the other side, leaving a gap in the middle. Now on both sides, let's draw another bump underneath. And then curves down, meeting at the center. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's add the eyes. We'll start with the curve up and back down on the left, and the same thing on the right. And then from the inside, let's curve it over to the mouth. Now let's hop inside and let's draw an oval inside each eye. And then color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start in the center and let's draw a small U-shaped curve. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and out. And then at the ends, a small curve back down. Next on both sides, let's draw another pointed curve up and back down, like this. Then a curve going outwards. And then a wavy line back down to the mouth. Now let's move inside the head and let's draw an oval on the top left, and the same on the other side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing the arms. Let's leave a small gap under the head and let's draw a small curve on both sides. Then let's curve it out and back in, like this. And the same thing on the outside. Now to fill in the gap in between, let's add the hands. Let's draw two ovals like this. And that's it for the arms. Now let's draw the body behind. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a line down on both sides. Then continue it underneath the arm, curving it out. And then a U-shaped curve underneath. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the necklace. Let's start with a circle. Now inside, let's draw an X. And then another X across. And lastly, starting from under the head, let's draw 2 angles down on top. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the legs. We'll start next to the body, just above the arms, and let's draw a curve going outwards on both sides. And then from the end, let's curve it down. And now let's draw the same bent line on top. Now let's close off the bottom of both legs with a curve across. Next, underneath, let's draw the foot. Let's start with a curve down from the outside, and then a longer curve from the inside. And then close off the bottoms. And that's it for the first set of legs. Now let's draw the next set behind. Let's start next to the body, underneath the armpit here, and let's draw an angle out, then continue it on the other side of the arm, and again continue it past the leg like this. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Then from both ends, let's curve it downwards. And now let's do the same thing underneath. Let's start again next to the body and let's draw an angle out, continue it past the arm, and curve it down on the outside. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the bottom of each leg. Now at the end, let's add the feet, but this time, let's have them facing outwards. For the inside line, let's draw a curve down, then bring it outwards, and a curve across the bottoms. And that's it for the second set of legs. Now let's draw the final set behind. Let's start inside next to the body, under the armpit, and let's draw an angle up, continue it in between, then continue it on top, and curve it down. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Now top underneath, and let's draw 2 curves going down, inside here, and on the right. And then close off the bottom of each leg. Now for the feet, let's draw a curve down from the outside line, and then a curve inwards, and close off the bottoms. And that's it for Snidey Spidey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!